Hi people, welcome to Pepperfield. In this video, we're going to see some stocks which have already shown some strong price action patterns and that can give good moves in the coming trading sessions. So you can add these stocks to your watch list and you can watch on them and definitely you can find good trading chances. So without any delay, let's get started. The first stock is Bharati Airtel. As we can see, it's near a long-term trend line and it is taking support over that trend line. For the last 2 weeks, it is respecting a triangle pattern and over the last few hours, we can see a breakout. So we can watch out for the levels 530 to 535. Sustaining above this level, we can go for long positions with good targets. Okay, so next, let's move to the next stock. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. We share contents such as strategies, indicators, charts, etc. that are helpful for traders as well as for investors. Also, we will be sharing our paid scalping strategy and the indicator for free on the 5K special video. So please support us by subscribing the channel. Also enable the bell button so that you will not miss any contents. Okay, now let's see the next chart. The next stock is Sun Pharma. As we can see, for the last couple of months, the price is respecting a trend line and now it is taking support over the trend line. And for the last 2 weeks, we can see that the price is forming a triangle pattern. Now it's about to give a breakout or a breakdown. So we can watch for the range 700 to 685. Sustaining above 700, we can look for buy options and sustaining below 685 we can look for selling options. Also for the last 2 days we can see that there is a strong consolidation. The range is so narrow so that it is indicating that there will be a good movement in the coming trading sessions. So you can watch this stock to your watch list, clearly watch it. You can definitely find good entry chances and easily make some money. So now let's get into the next chart. The next stock is Tata Chemicals. As we can see, the price is near a long-term trend line and it is taking support over it. And for the last 2 months from April, it is forming a triangle pattern and now it is about to give a breakout or a breakdown. And for the last 2 weeks, the range is so narrow, the price is rejected from 720 for like 3-4 times, so that we can watch out for the range 695 to 720. If the price sustains above 720, we can look for buying options, and if it is sustaining below 695, we can look for shorting options. Also, the range is so narrow for the last 2 days, indicating that there is a good chance for day trading. So watch this stock, add this to your watch list and you can find good entry points. The next stock is IDFC First Bank. It was taking support over a long-term trend line and for the last 2 months the price was in a triangle pattern. Over the last couple of weeks we can see that the triangle pattern was tested over a couple of times and now it's showing a breakout. Within the next few trading hours we can confirm the breakout and we can find good entry levels. So don't miss this stock. This is good for swing trading as well as for short term. So watch this stock, add it to your watch list. The next stock is Star. The stock is already in a channel for the last 5-6 months and over the last 1 month it is respecting a triangle pattern. The top trend line is been tested many times and in the coming trading days we can expect a breakout or a breakdown. So add this stock to your watch list. It is good for swing trading as well as for short term, and with a proper breakout it has the potential to give up to 6 to 10% in a couple of weeks. So definitely add this stock to your watch list. The next stock is Ujjivan Financial Services. The stock is respecting a trend line for the last 2 months and now it is forming a triangle pattern. We can watch out for the range from 210 to 218. If the price is sustaining above this range, we can look for buying opportunities, and if the price is dropping below the range and sustaining below it, we can look for selling opportunities. So again, this one is good for swing trading as well as for day trading. So watch this stock, add this one to your watch list so that you will get good entry chances. Now let's check the next chart. The next stock is Hindalco. The price is already in a long-term trend line and it's taking support over it. For the last 2-3 weeks, it is forming a triangle pattern, and over the last couple of days, we can see a very narrow range. So the range we can check out is from 385 to 395. Sustaining above this range, we can look for long opportunities, and sustaining below this level, we can look for shorting opportunities. Again, good stock for swing trading as well as for day trading. So add this one to your watch list. The last stock is Granules. Over the last couple of weeks, the stock is forming a triangle pattern, and over the last couple of days, the range is so narrow so that we can expect a good movement. It can be a breakdown or a breakout. So the range we can watch out is from 320 to 330. If the price is sustaining above this range, we can look for long opportunities, and if the price is sustaining below this range, we can look for selling opportunities. Again, if we watch it very close, we can see that over the last couple of hours, the range is so narrow, indicating that there is a good opportunity for day traders. So again, watch this stock, add this one to your watch list, then look out for good entry opportunities. That's all for this short video. Let me know your opinions about these stocks as well as other stocks in the comment section. Also, please subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you.